Hey guys, welcome back to our channel ChandraAwesome again. After many days, we again came to our new videos. And guys, before going to start the video, as in the previous days, I already uploaded a video about how to design a car in Onshape CAD software by using the simple CAD tools which I had taught you till now. As I said like that, I uploaded a video yesterday. It's like a bit long video, but guys, it is very basic. That's why I want to teach you very basically, so it maybe help you to design your own cars. That's why I made a long video there. Even if you are feel lag to the long video, I already mentioned the timings in the description. You can directly skip to the time and you can learn how I did work with how I made that car. It is a very simple one, guys. If you learn the one, you can also design the other things also. So if you are interested, I will give the video link in the description. Go watch there. Okay, and another one, guys, I'm willing to do the CAD services like doing your CAD projects or some any designs as per you want. uh, I already started from before. And if you want any CAD works or any designs you want to do them, you can contact me through my Fiverr link which I given in the description. If you are interested with my works, you can ping me there and I will make sure your works uh, done as per your want. That's all, guys. Now let's come into the video. Today I'm going to teach you about how to use the hole tool. It's a Many of you already use the hole tool, but it seems like it is not that much use, but it is very useful tool, guys. It is not same like just making the hole. Let me teach you how does the what is the hole means. First of all, we know what is hole. Just making the mm, just removing the material from the body, like that we can call it as a hole. So for now, I am just creating a simple circle here. I did circle, and you can make the hole here by doing the extrude option also, right? By removing it, and see, now we did a hole. We did a hole by this one. But guys, how many of you know that it is really um, works with our 3D printing? Like, for the designing purpose, it is okay, but for manufacturing purpose, we need some tolerances. Tolerance is very much when we are going to manufacturing purpose for the designs we have to be done in the CAD software. Okay, so but during this extrude operation, we can't know exactly the tolerances. Even you can calculate tolerances by and then implement this operation. That is also works, but it takes too much time. Many of you don't like maths like me, huh? So for like them, here we there is a tool called hole tool. It is very useful, guys. It is having all features where we want to make the hole. So how to make the hole tool or work with the hole tool? Yes, guys, let's click on the hole tool. Let's open the pop-up, and it is showing some information like a simple, blind, custom, and it's showing, see, it's showing the diameter to 0.8 and showing the depth to 0.5, and it's showing the tip angle style to be 180 degrees and start from this different one. So what it is asking mainly, sketch points on the place holes and merge, which means merge you already know that whole part should be merged with. That is asking. So what it asking? It's asking sketch points. That means we need a points. Let's consider this cylinder. Okay, and I'm going to select this face, and I'm selecting the point and drawing some random points here. Okay, let's go for a regular one that is best for us instead of this irregular one, then you might understand. Okay, so let's give dimension to the point from the center, from this to where is the center. Let's give that to one one from this point, and give one from here. So we made a point on the cylindrical face by giving the dimension also in the sketch tools. Okay. Okay, let's take the sketch, and now let's do the pattern. This one, let's pattern this point. And how many times you want? Just for now, I'm making 10. Yeah. Now we got 10 points, guys, around here. Okay. Okay. Just now click on the whole tool, and it's asking points, right? Just click on the points what we have here. We have 10 points, right? Let that click on 10 points all. Even you can do pattern later also, guys, but I want to show you the difference. That's why I did the pattern with the sketch. Okay, like you see, we had created some. Okay, by using the hole tool, I just made a holes with the default values which we have given in this one, but I want to make a different size of holes. How I can do that, guys? This hole tool is mainly used for uh, mostly work with the when you want to make a when you want to use nuts, screws, or any fasteners in the holes that during the manufacturing purpose, this whole tool really works with you, right? I am created here. I like to show you what is this hole once. Here I already showed it is the diameter, which means it's about 0.8 diameter. Now I want to only 0.5 inch diameter. How to do this? Now see, the size of the holes will reduce the diameter, and this is the length. How much depth you want into the body, the whole length. So for now, I want 1 inch depth. For that, give the value to 1 inch here. See, the hole is got under 1 inch, and the 1 inch distance is, guys, it will not include this tip angle. Only the length is between from this upper from the this face and this edge. You can see that this from this edge to this is called only the 1 inch length depth, and it is also have we have the default values of tip angle of 180 degrees, 135 degrees, or if you want to flat, or if you want with custom means we can give how much degrees angle tip you want, you can give that. So if you want that, you can see you can give 120 degrees simply like that. If you are not getting how much angle it is rotating, just for now uh, make the view into uh, hidden edges are visible. Okay, here we can also see the edges. Okay, let's, instead of this one, let's go to the section view on the plane, and here just click on the section view. Here, from here, you can see how much angle it is actually there. edit the hole tool again, and here you can see how much angle we get here. Okay, for now I'm just giving another angle to 150 degrees, and see through this tip undergo 150 degrees. Actually guys, this angle like working here is just it is between like you can see from like this like a v shape like this works. So let's, for example, let me give the smallest angle, let's give 90 degrees, and you can see we get a v shape here like this, which means the angle from this to this, it will take consideration as a tip angle. Okay, if you want to give 45 degrees, it is also see you got a 45 degrees tip like this, it will works. Let's edit the section view again, and you might, yeah, now you can see the tips clearly, right? See, I gave the 45 degrees before, here the 45 degrees the tip angle. If I give the 90 degrees here, you see the tip angle is reduced. Like this, how you can manipulate the tip style of the hole. Okay, and you can see there is a drop button here. So clicking on this, you can see workspace precision and tolerance. Precision means, guys, if you are familiar with the mechanical term words, you can understand what is the precision. This is a precision, like guys, or you can explain. You can go to the, let me show you how the precision works. And tolerance means, guys, it is uh, we need to give the tolerance to the part, whatever the part we have done design here, because when we do the manufacturing the exact cell, there may be a chance of losing contracting material or extracting the material when we done the manufacturing process. So to overcome them, to get the exact distance, we should maintain tolerances for every design what we have already done. Not only in mechanical designs, whatever we have designed in one, we should maintain a tolerances. That is very good practice for engineering. Okay, so you can give the tolerances. See, you can have the symmetrical, deviation, limits, minimum, maximum. You can give how much tolerance you want, is totally upon your wish. You can go through the net, or else you can go to some mechanical notes. You can understand what is the work with this terms that used in this tolerance form. And here this is the precision values. Okay, like this we have, and also like this we have the simply, just now we are doing the only simple hole operation, but we have different one also. Let me show you those also, guys. Here I'm looking on it's asking CounterBore and CounterSink. We have two holes, CounterBore and CounterSink holes. Let's click on the CounterBore and see the CounterBore here is created. The CounterBore is means, guys, you can clearly understand what does it mean. It is creating an extra thickness part of the hole, which means it is having two diameters, like sharp. If you can see the CounterBore has created here, just like this is the extra thickness has been created. That's we call as CounterBore. And here the see, this is the CounterBore diameter, and this is the outer diameter, and this is the CounterBore depth, which means how much CounterBore you want. So if you want to the 0.5, see, this is the CounterBore depth we have created here. Or else if you, and it also has the depth, this is normal depth hole, guys. This is the same, and this is the counter depth, and this is the counter diameter. You can also manipulate the counter diameter how much you want. See, the counter diameter is reducing actually here. Okay, like this you can manipulate it, and this is how the CounterBore hole is work. Let's come on to the CounterSink. CounterSink means, guys, it's like having a camper at the whole edge. But this also have some indicating means default indication values, because as I said, for you watchness it is very useful for making them. I think this CounterSink mostly used for not for the this is mostly used for the screws, not for the holes. But when we doing the screw holes, then this CounterSink holes are very useful here. Okay, and it is also same. You can see this is the normal diameter and this is the CounterSink diameter. You can increase this CounterSink diameter, but it's not interacting. Let's reduce this CounterSink diameter. Uh, See the CounterSink diameter is reducing, and see and CounterSink angle, which how much angle you like, how much camber angle you want. You can also change here. We don't need to apply the camber again right here. You can also simply manipulate the angles also here. This is how does it works, and just we created this is different from what I explained here. And for that we don't, and it has three. We have another toggle bar here. That is called we are doing the blind operation till now, which means blind means how much distance you want is called blind. And now what we want is this is my map, guys. Now I want to make the through, which means it goes through whole part. Don't mind my internet connection, guys. This is making me okay. See, when I click on the through the body, if the whole part is happened throughout the entire body. You can clearly see that. See, like this happens how it works. And blind in the last means, guys, it's going to be blind with another part. If you have another part here linked with this, then this whole will be blinded with the another part also. That is the difference here. That means you need to have another part also. Okay, that is the means of the blind glass. That is nothing but the difference, guys. Okay, let's set as a blind hole. Let's keep that as a blind hole, guys. Okay, now we having another standard. What are the standard we are using right here? Oh my god, guys, my net really. Okay, this is other standards we have for the making of holes, ASI, and let me show you the visualization is custom, but you can also do the given ASI. From this you can clearly get the we'll get the standard holes clearly. We don't need to really calculate them, but if you want to custom, you can do it. Here we can also different standards: ISO, ASI, DIN. Okay, this is the size is called M1. I want the M1 nut, and it's going to be fit or close. I want to put yours. I think we need to change the diameter right here. Okay, let's work with ISO. I am working with the ISO only mainly. Okay, like this you can make the holes. This is very useful, guys. Okay, this is the most useful tool here. I am also not much familiar with standards particularly, but it depends upon which, guys. Okay, my net was also on my broadband connection is very hell not working. It's making the Onshape. Okay, let's keep it working and do that simple. And that diameter to be 0.5. See, like this you can work with the hole tool. And we had another one is called start from select plane. Start with select plane, guys. Let me show you how does it works. Okay, let's close this and let's export offset this plane to other side of the face here. Okay, uh, oh, this is the another feature you can see. Just you can also manipulate the edges of the planes also, guys, in the Onshape CAD software. I'm not familiar with this one, but this chart clicked unknowingly. Let me tell you how does it work. It's rotating right now. Ooh. Okay, just like here, guys, just click on the plane and you can see the corners to move. By using these corners, you can manipulate the size of the plane if you want. Okay, okay, let's come into the how working. Let's see how does it works. What I want to show you. Let's offset this plane. Okay, that's enough now. Now it is saying that see now not from this guys, let's change the hole because we already done here. You can't understand how does it works from the plane. Okay, and just change the direction to the other side of the plane. That is the part. Okay, let me draw another points here. So I'm selecting this offset plane. I am creating a random points here, guys. Okay, clicking on it. Now I want to make hole here. How does it work? Just click on the hole tool again, and I want to selecting the point. And see, I'm just selecting the point, but the hole is clearly falling at the exactly on the part which is there here, which is parallel there to the point here. See, if I am clicking on this part, the whole part, the whole operation will affected to the part. Okay, but I want to start from the plane. If you click on start from the plane, the whole operation will start from this plane only. What is the use of this means, guys? If you are, want to make a holes here, um, but you are only have the dimensions from the plane from the particular distance, like that time you can use it. Just what I need to do is just now need to increase the depth where it can merge with the part. Right now you can see from the plane itself the distance is 2.6 inches and the part will got affected. Like this, you can use the start from plane toggle bar. That is the use, nothing much difference and hard one is there, guys. That's all about how to use and work with the hole tool and how much important it is for the manufacturing purpose and making holes for the fasteners. I hope you might understand my concept. If you really like our content, guys, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. It is very helpful to me. And as I mentioned, if you have any works to about the CAD works, and if you want to teach anyone, you can contact me to the Fiverr page, and they will make your works done. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.